Hey, what's up, guys? So, today's topic we're going to talk about controlling the object visibility in Revit 2019. All right, so in this exercise, we're going to control the visibility of elements in a view. All right, so let's start with changing the visibility settings. So, what I'm going to do is in this view, I'm going to turn off the visibility of the furniture. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to open the visibility graphic overrides. So you have two options to do that. It's either you press VV, Victor Victor, for the shortcut, or from the properties without selecting any elements, from the view properties, you can select here visibility graphic override. So you can click edit, just click that one. So it will open up the visibility graphic overrides for floor plan ground floor. So it will only affect your current view, your ground floor. Okay, so any changes that you made here, it will only affect your ground floor. All right, so that like what I've said earlier, so we are going to turn off the visibility of the furniture. So from the model categories, I'm going to look for furniture. This one. So I'm just going to clear the checkbox here, and then I'm going to select here OK. So as you can see in my view window, you can see that the furniture elements such as the desk chairs, filing cabinets, and sofa sets are no longer visible in our ground floor plan view. Okay, so next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the ground floor. So I already did this last time on our exercise. So to duplicate, all you have to do is to right click, duplicate the view, and then you can select here duplicate with detailing if we want to include the details like the annotation. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and select this, and then I'm going to rename the duplicate view. Right click and rename this one. So I'm going to rename that to ground floor furniture plan. Furniture plan. Okay, and then I just need to press enter. Okay, so there you go. So this is now my furniture plan. So what I'm going to do next, since I want this to be my furniture plan, I'm going to open again the visibility graphic override. So I can type VV, or I can type VG as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so and then after that, so I'm going to highlight some of the elements here. Okay, so I'm going to check, like for example, the curtain panel. So this is the curtain panel. All right, so I'm going to turn off this one. So I'm going to turn off my curtain panel. I mean, since I want this furniture plan, I do not want to turn off. But what I want to do is I want the curtain panels to be halftone. So meaning the color will becomes a little bit dim. So it will becomes halftone. So I want the curtain panels to be halftone and curtain systems halftone. The reason why I'm making these elements halftone, it's because I want all the furniture to be highlighted. So I want these all elements to be halftone. All right, so curtain system, curtain wall mullions, and doors. What else? Floors as well. Let me see the floors. All right, so there's the floors. Railings. I have railings here. Railings. There you go. Halftone as well. Specialty equipment. All right, so where's that? So halftone and stairs. Halftone as well. Okay. And structural columns. Okay, and then walls. So I look for walls as well. So there you go, walls and windows. There you go. So after that, I'm going to select the annotation categories here, and I'm going to clear this one. I want to turn off the annotation. So instead of unchecking this one by one, I just need to uncheck this one. All right. So I'm going to clear this, and then after that, I'm going to select here OK. There you go. Okay. And then after that, let me just go ahead. Where are the furniture here? Furniture. Let me just check the furniture, and then I just select here OK. There you go. Right, so as you can see, the furniture now is highlighted here. So all the walls here and other things are in halftone. So my furniture is now highlighted because I want this to be my furniture plan. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a view template. Okay, so I'm going to create a view template. Okay, so to do that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select here the view, and then there's the view template. So I'm going to create view template here. Okay, this one. I'm going to create a view template. Right? So view template. So it's a collection of settings in the view properties. Okay, so I'm going to select this, and then for the new template, I'm going to key in here furniture uh, layout. All right, so furniture layout, and then I'm going to select here OK. So it will now open the view templates dialog box. So as you can see, this is now my view template, and then these are the settings that I can modify for this particular view template, for this particular template. So what I'm going to do is under the view properties here, I'm going to check here the visibility graphic overrides for models. I'm going to select here OK. And then if we are going to check all the elements that we have checked a while ago for halftone is already checked. Okay, so these are the settings that we want for our uh, furniture layout template, so that all we have to do is to apply this template to other view, and we will be having the same settings as our current view here, which highlights the furniture. All right, so I'm just going to select here OK, and then I'm going to select here OK. Now that we have already created the furniture layout, so I'm going to select here OK. All right, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create another floor plan, furniture plan, this time for main floor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, just like what we did here. I'm going to duplicate. I just use duplicate here. Doesn't matter if I use with detailing or duplicate because I'm going to apply view template here anyway later. All right, so I duplicate that and then change the name. Like for example, this is my main floor furniture plan. Okay, furniture plan. All right, now what I'm going to do is instead of doing again the whole process of checking the halftone for this view. So what I'm going to do is, since I already created the view template, all I have to do is to apply it here. To apply, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to select apply template properties. So I just need to select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to select the view template that we have created a while ago, and then I'm going to select here OK. And easy peasy. You see, it's already applied here. The settings, just like the settings that we have here, is applied now here on our main floor furniture plan. Why? Because we use the template. We use the view template that we have created a while ago based on this view here. Okay, so basically that's how powerful the view template. So instead of redoing again the whole process in different views, okay, so much better if you just create a view template and then you can just apply that to your or to the views that you want to have that same settings. All right. So again, hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.